always loves unexpected content. But when it comes from Bollywood, the excitement level becomes the next level. Not that we don't have some of the best content in Indian cinema, but you know the ratio between good and bad content in the Bollywood industry. So, banging the good side of this ratio scale, the Indian audience just witnessed another classic from the lot, which is AK vs AK. Released on Netflix and starring the Jhakass actor Anil Kapoor and Anurag Kashyap, the creator of Gangs of Wasseypur, AK vs AK has come out as a story that has been told never before. In terms of character build-up, execution of the story, and dialogue delivery, this Netflix movie puts the standard of Indian cinema on a completely different level. How? Let's find out. What makes the AK vs AK fight unforgettable? Indians have always been in awe of the lifestyle the celebs live and how they are in their real life. Hence, when you see two real celebs live it on screen, you will love it. Now that it's happening for the first time, but the way it goes, I can bet that you won't leave your seat until it ends. As suggested by the movie title, the fight is between actor and a director. The only difference here is that actor is the Kapoor while the director has risen from the flames of struggle. When the latter makes the fun of the former, a plan takes its shapes, because who doesn't love it when a plan comes together? Thus, making the outcome an unforgettable experience. How real is this fight between AK and AK? On a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being the top, the fight shouts an unnegotiable 9. When Anurag tells Anil that he has kidnapped his daughter, everything from emotions to dialogues come out like this is happening in real time. However, it does not stop here, because Anil Kapoor's process of truly believing that his daughter has been kidnapped in real becomes the talking point. It's only after the halftime that you will realize the plot has taken the most unexpected turn. With no intentions to disclose anything critical from the movie, I would certainly point out this one thing. The moment you will think the movie may not be as good as it seems, it will smack you with the most unexpected surprise. What's the unique thing about AK vs AK? It is the behavior of everyone else in the movie. The director of AK vs AK has ensured that reactions of common people get captured in their raw form. Be it a one-to-one reaction or a group one, everything tells how unexpectedly people can react. To keep things going, Anil Kapoor and his family have done a commendable job. In one instance, you will see Boney Kapoor scolding the cameraman. That's there when the gravity hits you. One more thing that I would like to mention here, the dialogues in the movie have been written so good that many big names in the industry will be roasted. As sharp as blade, each punch will come at the right time and in the right amount, thus giving you enough time to enjoy all of them. Is there anything that you may not like? I guess not, but then again, the existence of perfection seems unreal. The first thing that you might not like here is why the movie didn't come out on a 70mm screen. The next thing is a bit sad, because AK vs AK isn't a film you will want to watch twice. Although some might disagree, in my timeline, this movie is only a one-time watch. Why sad? Because I wanted to see it again, but I won't. And finally, here's my Twitter reaction on AK vs AK movie. That's it guys. See you in the next movie review.